Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We're going to be testing this Marui A4 build. So this one has, we've installed the Midwest Industries rail on the end there, and we've also put a full build internally. So we've got the EagleSix 90 spring, we've got the Psionic AEP hot rubber, we've got the Psionic M nub in there. We've got the Prometheus 229mm barrel. We've got the FPS bushings. We've got the Prometheus hard gear set. We've got the FPS Piston Head. We've got the FPS carbon fiber piston, obviously for AK, but it's been modded for MP5. We've got the FPS Cylinder Head, FPS Cylinder. We've got the Firefly Nozzle. And yeah, we're just ready for testing now, just to demonstrate it working. So we've done all the range testing on 2.8s and FPS testing as well. It's 289 feet per second on 2.8s, which is under the limit there, so which is normally 296. So that's nice and safe, and we tried quite a few springs, and this is the closest one we could get, which is about 235, 236 feet per second on 0.2s, yeah, ready for demonstration. Motor in, isn't it? Oh, it's got the samarium Cobalt motor in there as well. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. There we go, so all tested, working. We hope you enjoy, and any other things, or if we've forgotten something on the build, just let us know, but otherwise hopefully everything's all good for you. Thank you.